This week's feast, traditional Korean banchan, sponsored by KGMP Premium Mushroom Hotpot. As you all know, we here at Feast of Fiction are big fans of We Bare Bears and especially love their dedication to Korean culture and food. Today's video is brought to you by Korea Green Mushroom Park, and mushrooms are a fundamental part of Korean and Asian cuisine. So what better opportunity to share some of our favorite banchan, or side dishes, that go along great with recipes that we've made in the past, especially our chun from We Bare Bears. We'll be utilizing KGMP's Mushroom Hotpot, which comes in soy sauce and extra hot flavors for its convenience and ease of use. Not to mention, they're a healthy superfood that's great for the fall and winter seasons. First dish up, Vasant Namu, or stir-fried mushrooms. Begin by making a simple sauce for it. Mix soy sauce, sesame oil, and honey together in a small bowl and set aside. On to the mushrooms. They are designed to be cooked like a hot pot but can easily be incorporated into any recipe. Over medium-high heat, add the oil, mushrooms, and flavor packet to a small skillet. We use the traditional soy flavor for this dish, but if you're feeling spicy, you can always switch to extra hot. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes and then add the garlic and stir fry for another minute. Remove the mushrooms from the heat and pour over the sauce. Sprinkle them with sesame seeds and you're done. These are traditionally served at room temperature, but so tasty you probably won't be able to wait that long. These scrumptious mushrooms will go great with rice, a fried egg, or some Korean barbecue. For our next banchan dish, we're making mushroom pancakes, or pasut chun. So you'll need to cut down some of the larger mushrooms to size. In a large bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, baking powder, a flavor packet, and rainbow whisk it to combine. Then add the water and keep stirring until that's combined. Carefully fold in the mushrooms, chopped chives, and minced garlic. In a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, fry the pancakes with a little vegetable oil for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown. You can cut the pancakes into wedges with kitchen scissors or a knife to make them easier to share. And blammo! These pancakes are one of my favorite Korean dishes and are just the perfect banchan to go with so many different parts of a meal. I've had them as early as an appetizer all the way to the end of a meal. You can munch on them throughout the night. They're just too hard to pass up. For our last recipe, we're making a simple and tasty version of japchae, or stir-fried noodles with vegetables with our KGMP premium mushrooms. Combine the soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and minced garlic in a small bowl and mix well until the sugar is dissolved. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the noodles according to the package directions, usually 6 to 7 minutes. Rinse them in cold water and drain. You need to cut the noodles into 6 to 7 inch lengths and mix in 2 tablespoons of the prepared sauce in a bowl. In a large non-stick skillet, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and stir-fry the onion for 2 to 3 minutes over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms, flavor packet, and the noodles. We used the extra hot flavor and it turned out great. Stir frequently until the onion is translucent and the mushrooms begin to brown. When the onion is almost done, stir in the spinach and scallions and heat briefly. Add the remaining sauce to the bowl with all other prepared ingredients. Toss well and top with some sesame seeds. Yum! Another super easy and convenient recipe, in part thanks to the pre-prepped king oyster, winter, and shiitake mushrooms from KGMP. Now whether you eat these together, separate, or even as a main dish or just a snack, we're big fans of banchan in all shapes and sizes and hope you get to experiment around and make some for yourself too. Now you can't find KGMP premium mushrooms in the States yet, but they are launching next year, so make sure you keep your eye out. You don't want to miss it. Alright, we hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you follow us on our social medias, support us at patreon.com/feastoffiction, and keep on cooking.